In this video, we are going to learn about subject pronouns, singular and plural nouns, and how to change a subject to a pronoun. What is a subject pronoun? Do you see the word noun? This gives you a clue. A pronoun is like a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. A pronoun takes the place of a noun, which is a person, a place, or a thing. A singular noun is one person, one place, or one thing. Plural nouns are many people, many places, or many things. Subject pronouns. Singular. First person, I. Second person, you. Third person, he, she, or it. Plural. First person, we. Second person, you. And third person, they. Remember, you can be singular or plural. You use I when you talk about you. This is me. I am an English teacher. We use you when we are talking to someone. You are my friend. We use she when we are talking about a girl or a woman. The girl is reading. The girl, she, is reading. We use he when we are talking about a boy or a man. The boy is playing. The boy, he, is playing. We use it when we are talking about a thing, a place, or an animal. The sky is blue. The sky, it, is blue. We use we when we are talking about ourselves and one or more people. Amy and I are leaving. Amy and I, we, are leaving. We use they when we are talking about many things or people. The children are playing. The children, they, are playing. How to change a subject to a pronoun. We need a sentence. This is a sentence. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Ottawa is the subject. Is the verb. Ottawa is a place, so we replace it with it. It is the capital of Canada. Let's change the subject to a pronoun. Number 1. Elizabeth is my sister. Elizabeth is the subject. It is singular, a third person, a woman, she. Number 2. Timothy is in the hospital. Timothy is the subject. It is singular, a man, third person, he. Number 3. Mike is a mechanic. Mike is the subject. It is singular, a man, third person, he. Number 4. Sarah and Justin are single. Sarah and Justin are the subjects. They are plural. There are two people. It is third person, they. Number 5. Michael and Noah are brothers. Michael and Noah are the subjects. It is plural. There are two people, third person, they. Number 6. The library is closed. The library is the subject. It is singular. It is a place, third person, it. Number 7. Amanda is my teacher. Amanda is the subject. It is singular, a woman, third person, she. Number 8. My mother and I like to shop. My mother and I are the subjects. It is plural, two people, first person, because there is an I, we.